everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW X3 30 xDrive in Black Sapphire Metallic with the Espresso interior. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW X3 30 xDrive in Black Sapphire Metallic. So I've just hit unlock on the key. This is what your key looks like. We've got the kidney grille lit up, we have the headlights on, and let's do a little pathway lighting while we're here. So there's your full low beam system. Let me do a lap all the way around. And it's kind of dark in here, so we can see the welcome light carpet a little bit, which is nice. So, let's go ahead and take a look at all the details. We got Black Sapphire Metallic. Black Sapphire Metallic looks awesome when it's kept clean, just like any other black paint. It really shows off the lines on the hood very nicely. Got the rondelle up front and center here. We've got the new style kidney grille for the 3 Series, or sorry, the X3 with the illuminating kidney. And we've got the diagonal and vertical grille slats. And with that all lit up, it looks pretty good. Got the camera up front here. We've also got an active grille shutter here, as well as down here as well. So that's sweet. Front plate brackets on. And this is the non-M Sport design. So we've got that brushed aluminum down here at the front. Another little accent right here as well. When you come to the side, you're going to see here that we have the 20-inch Aero wheels, 906 style in midnight gray burnished. So that looks really nice. And we've got amber reflector. We have the rocker panel with the crisscross design. And the welcome light carpet is also crisscross design as well. And we have body colored side mirror with the turn signal and camera integrated. We've got this chrome accent going around onto the Hofmeister kink. And then we have a silver roof rail, glass roof up top, new style antenna, flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the fronts. And we've got a little bit of a line going around here. There's your rear 906 Aero wheel. And we've got a little spoiler on the top here, rear wiper arm. And let's take a closer look at the tail lights on. So when it lights up, BMW illuminates on the side. We've got that L shape and the inverted L shape stacked on top of each other. We've got the rondelle in the back here, and I like how it's kind of placed this way where it sticks out and it kind of interrupts this line, but in a very smooth way. That looks good. New naming, X330, there's no I here. And we don't have any visible exhaust on the 30 model, but we do have the horizontal reflectors. And down here, there is a muffler and there is an exit. So since we're back here and I've got the key, I'm just gonna kick my foot underneath the middle of the car. So you see the lights flash. That opens up the hands-free way. We have your cargo cover here to hide your contents. There's a button on either side that can be pressed. When the red is shown, or orange, it means that it's released, so it can be taken right out. There's a space underneath here where it can be stored. There's also some carpeted mats down here. There's also a little kit down here with your tire inflator. And your wheel lock key. Tow hook is over here. There's a little netted area on this side. And we also have a grocery bag hanger here. And there's a 12-volt plug in here and some illumination. And on the other side, we have another little 12-volt plug. And up top, there's a button to close, another one to close and lock. But we can definitely kick our foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close the hands-free way. Beauty. So on the passenger side, we've got the fuel cap door. It is connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, one click to open the cap. There's a little spot to put it. When you're done, it's just clockwise, one click. Let me open up that rear door. So back here, you'll see that we have Harman Kardon sound system. We also have the Espresso interior, window switch, and we've got some pockets down here. And back here, let me just undo all the seat belts. The release lever on the shoulder to fold down the seats in a 60/40 split. Armrests in the center with some cup holders. Up top, there's a button right here you can press to release the center pass-through. Up top, we also have some handles, coat hanger, lights on either side. On the back of each front seat, we've got the accessory port. We also have some vents down here, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, pockets on the back of each seat, and we also have some vents down here as well. So now that we've had a chance to look in the back seating area, let me shut this door, and we'll open up the front door next. So once I open this up, you'll see that we also have Harman Kardon here. We have some ambient light going around, unlock, lock. This is to open or close this vent over here. Window switch, deep door pockets, full power seat with lumbar, manual under the thigh extension. Headrest is manually adjusted forwards, backwards, and up and down. And we've got some soft touch materials on the dash. We have iDrive 9 on the curved display. More crisscross patterns up here and in here. Nice little accent going around. And we've got more of the ambient light. We've got the jewel box down here, X3 right here, wireless charger, USB Type-C. We have your glass iDrive controller. We have your volume wheel. If I lift this up, there's a 12-volt plug inside of there. So now that we've had a chance to look at this, let's shut this door and open the other door next. All right, if we open the driver door, so inside we have Harman Kardon, unlock, lock, memory buttons, open and close the vent, tailgate release, side mirror controls, window controls. This button makes it so only the driver controls the windows. Big door pockets, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster for the driver's side. We have the flat bottom steering wheel, 2-spoke, head-up display, cruise control, and we have some audio controls, paddles on each side. Signal stock also has the exterior lighting on there as well now, so that is pretty sweet. And just a quick peek at the parking view. So this has the automatic back park, front park, parallel park. And if I go ahead and take a look at some of the driver assistance stuff here, so this one has the active cruise control, so it mitigates the speed and the distance to the car in front of you. And all the safety features are here as well. So that is pretty sweet. Up top, we do have the interior camera here as well. And we've got the garage door opener. And let's just open up that sunshade. So we've got that massive glass roof. It's pretty impressive, to be honest. So that looks sweet. Man, that's a big shade. Look at that. Well, that looks good. So down here, it's not visible right away, but underneath here, it's 1, 2. So let's go to the front of the vehicle. So when we get to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline 4 twin power turbo, 255 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds of torque. And we have positive battery terminal here, negative battery terminal. It's this metal post down here. Washer fluid goes over there. Nice engine bay. And BMWs have 2 latches under the hood. So there's one here, one here. They just have to close at the same time. So I usually put my fingers on the rondelle so I don't put any fingerprints in the paint. And you literally got to send her down. Beauty. All right, so I'm going to do one more lap all the way around the vehicle. We'll get the full lighting system on for this. So car has some nice equipment. even without M Sport, still comes very nicely equipped. M Sport just adds a little bit more of that visual appeal. But this still looks really good and still drives just as good as all the other X3s. So how do you like the spec? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW X3 xDrive in Black Sapphire Metallic with the Espresso Brown interior. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.